Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I want to presentation about IT tutorial about TinyBit. The first is I want to explain you what is TinyBit. TinyBit, an educational robot that can be controlled using a microbit microcomputer, manufactured by the Chinese company Yakboom. Additionally, TinyBit is also English verse meaning a tiny bit or small piece. For the next is the feature of the TinyBit. The first point is object detection and tracking. This robot can be detect objects as cats and recognize and follow human face. The second is color following. Sensors on the bottom of TinyBit can recognize colors, allowing the robot to follow a predetermined line of or path. The next is ultrasonic sensor. Equipment with an ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance from the object in front of it. And the next is LED display. Has an LED screen that can be used to display various information including face. And then TinyBit Bluetooth Lofi. So now I will explain about one of my project about Bluetooth TinyBit Lofi controller. So if you know that TinyBit can be controlled using a Bluetooth Lofi, and the function of this Bluetooth Lofi is to be a TinyBit controller. Okay, and then I want to show you for a code TinyBit. In here I use make code for make a code. From this you can look, if I press the button start, the Bluetooth word service show icon this. The meaning is the TinyBit already turned on. And if the Bluetooth connected, the microbit show icon smile face. This is information for if the Bluetooth already connect to the microbit show icon smile face. And then if the Bluetooth disconnect, the icon show X. This is information for if the Bluetooth disconnected. And then this is for the TinyBit. If a receive string say up, a car control run. The meaning is if I touch the button up controller, the TinyBit go forward, and then the RGB car big value color red. And then if the receive string down, car control back. Meaning is if I touch the button down button, the TinyBit back forward, and then RGB car big value green. And then if receive string right, the car control spin right, and then RGB car big value blue. Meaning is if I touch the right button, the TinyBit spin to right, and the color show blue. And if Reset string left, car control spin left, and then show color cyan, and if reset string stop, car control stop, then RGB car big value show color pin case. Then I want to show you the fluffy control like this. If you wanna use this controller, you must use Bluetooth. The first is you must upload first the code to the microbit and then connected the microbit using a Bluetooth and then connect to this controller Bluetooth Lofi. Okay. Maybe that's all for me. I'm sorry if I make some mistake. Last I say, wassalamualaikum. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.